So, if you was wondering what's wrong with this thing, well basically the chopper's fucked. And I'll show you. So, here is the rotor. As you can see, it's quite scuffed in there from this last run, or a few runs. And as you can see, there's a crack here, crack there, crack there, and a few cracks in other places. Yeah, plastic's just really brittle, really, because you see there's a crack inside there as well. Not too good. And then, as you can see, this is the chopper. Again, it's split there, and again, it's been routed out by the motor. And the only other thing I could think of is either try and get another motor with a bigger shaft, or just basically try and see if this one will fit. But we'll find out. But on the original, this, you can see it's routed out. It's got these little teeth in there, as you can see. It's just routed it out, so it's shit really. But once I had fuck that motor's hot. So let me see if I can quickly rectify it. So it looks like the gear on this motor shaft is actually steel. So yeah, bit of a shame really, but hey ho, nothing lasts forever. So that motor probably scrap, that motor scrap, and that's it really. This I'll probably save it, probably not, I don't know, because there's no point keeping an inactive siren when it's fucked basically. So yeah, so I've got the motor out, as you can see it is covered in red dust. So yeah, and I had to modify the motor. So two tabs, one here and one there, so I just had to rip them out and it's good to go. But oh well. Well, it's a shame things like that happen, but again, what can you do? Plastic degrades over time. So yeah, that's why I'm surprised this thing's, judging that it's about 45 years old I think, if I remember rightly, and the plastic's not gone on that. But you know, things break down at different times. Oh well, that will probably be it for this video. So thanks for watching.